Hello friends, welcome back to this new video tutorial. Today's topic is how to make spell number function permanent in all Excel workbooks. As you know that there is not any inbuilt function to convert numbers to spelling in Excel. We need to create the spell number function by using VBA code. When we create the spell number function by using VBA code, the problem is the function is available in the existing workbook only where you created the function. When you open other workbooks, then the function will not be available. So here in this tutorial, I'll show you how you can make the spell number function permanent across all Excel workbooks. Let's get started. First of all, you need to have the VBA code that is required for creating the function. The VBA code is here in this notepad document. I'll put this notepad document download link in the video description section from where you can download this notepad document, then use this code. First of all, select all this code given here. Copy this, go to Microsoft Excel, then click on the developer tab, click on Visual Basic, click on Insert, then Module. Here in the module page, right click, then paste the copied code. Close this VBA editor. Now here if you put a number beside this, if you press equal to, then type here spell, you will see this spell number function. Double click on this function, click on the number, close bracket, press enter. Here you can see the number gets converted into spelling. If you put here 14.8, here you can see 14.8 is given. This function also has currency conversion feature. For example, here in this cell, let me put 12.76. If you want to convert this number into currency format, then here you can use the function like this. Press equals, then use the spell number function. Then click on the number, put a comma, then put the name of the currency. For example, US dollar. For this you need to put here double quotes US dollar double quotes, then put a comma, then put the subunit name, that is double quotes cents double quotes, put a comma, then put the number of digits in subunit, that is 2 in case of US dollar, close bracket, press enter, and here you see this number is converted into 12 US dollar and 76 cents. Now to make this spell number function permanent across all workbook, click on the file tab, save as, then here in the type of the file you have to select Excel add-in option, that is given here, Excel add-in. The extension is .xlam. Select this Excel add-in option, then put here the name of the file, for example Spellnumber. Then select the location in your computer where you want to save this add-in. Let me click on the browse button, then go to this E drive, then create here a folder by right clicking, then new folder, then put here Excel tools. This is the folder name. Then double click on this Excel tools folder, then save this add-in. Click on the save button. Now you can close this workbook. Don't save. Now if you go to this PC, then E drive, here you can see inside these Excel tools the add-in is created. This is the add-in file. Next you need to open Microsoft Excel workbook. Then go to File tab, Options, click on Advanced, scroll down, and here you have an option that is at startup open all files in. Here you need to paste the location of the add-in. For that, go to this add-in folder, then click on this folder address bar, copy this folder address, go to Excel sheet, then here paste the folder address that you copied. Then click on OK. Now if you close this workbook, then reopen Microsoft Excel, you will see the spell number function here. Let me put here a number, then put here equals spell. Here you can see the spell number function is available. Double click on it, click on the number, close bracket, press enter. So the spell number function is now available in all Excel workbook. If you open here another workbook, for example, here I have this Excel workbook. Let me open it. And here if I try to use the spell number function, here you can see the spell number function is available. If I open here another workbook, for example this one, then try to use the spell number function, here you can see the function is available. So this is how you can make the spell number function permanent in all Excel workbook. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up by hitting on that like button, and also subscribe the channel if you are new here. Thank you so much for watching. See you again in another tutorial.